prosecutor wrote a detailed book about the case. The Sullivan County District Attorney's office is taking over a double murder case that gained national attention. News Channel 11's Allie Hines joins us live, where 3 family members stood trial for what became known as the Facebook murders. But the case isn't over yet. Good morning, Allie.
Good morning, Anna. We're here outside of the Justice Center in Jonesboro, where 3 of the Potter family members were tried and convicted of the murders of Bill Payne and Billie Jean Hayworth. Now, the mother and daughter, Barbara and Janelle, are asking for a new trial and a new prosecutor to take over the case. Their attorneys say the prosecutor in this case wrote a book about the case, disclosing new details they had never heard before that they say could have affected the outcome of this trial. They're asking him and his office to remove themselves from this case.
We will kill to protect our own.
The case became known as the Facebook murders after investigators said a Johnson County couple was shot and killed by Marvin Potter in 2012 following a social media feud with his daughter, Janelle Potter. The trial evidence involved thousands of emails, texts, and social media records. Brooks prosecuted all 3 Potter cases, which ended in life sentences. Months after the trial, Brooks released a book detailing the case titled Too Pretty to Live: The Catfishing Murders of East Tennessee. Around the time of the book's release back in February of 2016, Brooks told News Channel 11 this.
There are things in the book that people who served on the jury probably didn't know. There's things in the book that some of the defense attorneys probably didn't know about how we got from a case file to a conviction.
And now, after reading the book, the defense attorneys told us they did find information in the book they'd never heard before that could have affected the outcome of the trial.
The evidence, we believe, calls into question the state's theory.
Now, new prosecutors are taking over.
The allegation is there's information from a book that was written by a prosecutor that contains new evidence, and he may end up being a witness in the case.
Now, Sullivan County District Attorney General Barry Staubis is trying to catch up on the details in this complex case.
There's a lot of transcripts and a lot of materials to review.
In August, District Attorney General for Sullivan County, Barry Staubis, will serve as prosecutor when Barbara and Janelle Potter return to the courtroom here in Jonesboro, asking for a new trial. Reporting live in Jonesboro, Allie Hines, News Channel 11 in your corner.